Okay, now let's continue from where we stopped in the last episode. So we are still on Bootstrap. We start with HTML like this. Let me quickly reference our Bootstrap here. That is inside CS slash bootstrap dot CSS. Okay, and I need jQuery and bootstrap.js throughout in this tutorial. So do it like this. src. So my file is inside JS folder. So the name is no. The first thing to do is jQuery.js. Is after this one you now reference bootstrap.js. Bootstrap.js. Okay. Now what we are going to do now. Okay, let me first save the file into our folder. Let me replace this bootstrap. New. Let's replace it. Okay. Now what we want to do today is a tab. So how will you do tab? What I mean by tab is okay. Let's do it when you see it, you understand what is meant. Okay. So in tab now, maybe we have like three menus. When you click on the first one, some content will show. When you click on the second one, some content will show. So that's just about tab. Okay. So we are going to do a simple example on how to use tab now. Here we go. So follow like this. I want to use my U as my link. So in this U, give it a class called nav. This type of nav tabs should contain tabs. So in there we now have different lists. Let me call this one to be active. You know, active will be like active is clicked. Okay, that's all. Then it should have a inside. Ahref. Is this one that linking me, that will be taking me to open new content? Let me call this one home. Let's give it a data toggle to be tab. Yes, is a tab. After that, let's call this one home. Close A, close I. So you are through with the first L. So the second L, let me just copy my first L to make second L. Let's change this one to any name, any name. Let's call it home 2 or menu, anyhow. Let's put home 2. The third toggle should be tab, yes. Then call this one about us. Or let's change this one to about us. Now the third li, oh, is only one that will be active at the time. So this one should be contact us. And this one should be contact. Okay, let's run this and see how it will display. Okay, you can see how you display. You see, but no content shows. You can see there is no content shows. You see. Okay, now let's go for the content. Just go outside this UL, come down here. So now starts div class tab content. So in the tab content here, you need to specify which content are you referring to. The first one I'm referring to ID, the one that has home. This one has home. So I want to refer to it. You now use ID and home to refer to it. So inside the how do you want to display? You want to fade in. Number one is a tab pane. You want it to fade in. So to fade in. You know that one is I added active. I think this should be active also. You know that will match. That one is active. This one should be active. Yes. Open. So what is the content you want to put there? So anything, then put H3 home page. Let's call this home page. So let it contain short text. It's too long. short text. So put it there, short text, yes. So you can see, you see, it opens here, it closes here. So I can be copying this for the second tab, but let's run this thing first. You can see it runs, but everything just joined to the edge here. Why? Let's bring all our code from this body, or let me just add container. Don't forget to close it at the end. Before, after body I open it. So before body you must close it. I know, close it here before script. Okay, so let's run this. It's adjusted. So you can see a home page is active. If I click on this one, nothing happens. So let's quickly do that. That our home page starts from here, it stops here. So if I copy this, let's paste it here. Down the second one, I think is about, yes, about us page. So let's run the, no, this can never be active. You can't have two active at the same time. So click here, you can see about us, home page, about us, home page, about us. Okay, after this one we have the third one. The third one is contact. That's contact us page. This can never be active. So that our home page, about us, contact us, about. So let me break this thing down very well. You can see, yes, you see here, it start from here. So we click this, you can see how it works. So let's do a nav bar. Let's delete all this and do a nav bar. Okay. So in Bootstrap nav bar we have different type. We have different type. We have one for inverted navigation bar, that inverted nav bar. So is that one I will start with. In the next episode we continue. So this one is inverted nav bar. So how does it work? Here we go. Now you start with a tag called nav class. Nav bar. We start with nav bar inverse. After this, she puts div class container. Instead of container, let me use container fluid here. The second container type we have. Start under div class, that is nav bar what? Nav bar header. The header of your nav bar. So the first thing we have what? href. That's your mainly link to your icon. So class, let's call it nav bar brand. Nav bar brand. It's like a link to your icon. You can put icon image there. So there is a website name. Your website name. So close it. When you close that one, is nav bar what? Nav bar header. We close it here. So come down after this nav bar header, come down. So you start with your what UL. So class. Call it nav bar nav. So you now start with the li. Let's say this one should be active, not the first. Normally let's set it to be active. We have ahref none. So it takes me, this is our home, the first li, our home. Close it. Another li, let's call this one ahref none. Let's call this one page 1. This should be page 2, page 3. That's all. So if you run this, you can see we have, it's because it is here. Desktop, it should look like this.